Yeah, look at that. Look at the baby. Her corgi DNA is finally kicking in. She was at Jack Russell for too long today. That rubber band finally snapped. And now she's back to being a corgi. You tired? You tired, aren't you? You just want belly rubs. Belly rubs and laying down. Cuddles. No more yap, 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 and chasing a red ball around the yard. Yeah. The little baby Willow. I'll pass out again. And then there's the Peachy. Hey, Peachy. Being good girl, Peaches? You're always good girl. This one, mostly good girl. I love you girls. You're good girls.